China is revolutionizing the way food is produced with groundbreaking automation. From food manufacturing automation in high-tech dairy farms to AI-driven pig breeding, the nation is reshaping agriculture with smart solutions. But have you ever imagined pigs being recognized by facial scanners or fish farms using AI to track growth? These once unthinkable innovations are now a reality. In this video, we dive into China's automation and food industry, exploring how intelligent farming, automated feeding, and high-tech monitoring are setting new standards. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with the latest advancements in technology. China's automation and food industry is changing smart farming. In this project, a new system uses pig face recognition to boost smart pig farms. This plan may bring about 50 billion yuan yearly. At a recent global digital tech event, experts highlighted this innovation. A tiny sound-controlled mini robot plays many roles. It makes calls and takes photos from its touchscreen back. The robot gathers user data, then offers a clear plan for use. Farmers get smart help through this robot, just like a friendly guide from a science story. The system shows food manufacturing automation and food production automation work together. Inside China's largest dairy farm, China's automation and food industry plays a vital role. Dairy growth has soared in China. Raw milk production rose from 220,000 tons in 1949 to over 31 million tons by 2018. Urban milk consumption soared and rural growth nearly sextupled. In Anhui Province's Bengbu City, vast fields of alfalfa await harvest. Alfalfa, known as the king of pastures, is rich in nutrients. It supports livestock health and boosts dairy output. This farm shows how food manufacturing automation and food production automation improve overall food safety and yield. The farm uses automated systems to feed and care for animals. Machines help monitor temperature, nutrition, and overall health. Farmers now have more time to study new ways of growing food. The rise of China's automation and food industry brings fresh ideas to dairy production. These systems reduce waste and speed up milk processing. The benefits are clear: better milk, healthy animals, and higher income for everyone involved. Advanced robotic milking machines allow cows to be milked with minimal human intervention. AI-powered sensors analyze milk quality in real time, ensuring safety and efficiency. Smart logistics networks streamline the transportation of fresh dairy products to markets nationwide. In today's era, China's automation and food industry drives rural growth. The farming sector has welcomed smart tools that ensure safe food and revive countryside life. A digital chicken farm in Zhejiang province shows this change. The farm uses smart sensors and monitoring tools. These systems watch temperature, humidity, and feeding schedules. This high-tech farm uses food manufacturing automation and food production automation to make sure chickens grow strong and healthy. Farmers now see a clear picture of farm needs. Real-time data helps them make quick choices. The tech reduces extra work and cuts costs. By using smart devices, the farm reaches a new level of efficiency. China's automation and food industry makes farming easier and more effective. With smart monitoring, every detail is clear, and every process runs smoothly, ensuring a safe food supply for all. Automated feeding systems adjust portions based on each chicken's growth stage, preventing waste and improving nutrition. AI-powered health tracking detects early signs of disease, allowing quick treatment and reducing losses. As more farms adopt these technologies, China's poultry industry becomes more sustainable and profitable. Fish farmers in Shandong province use China's automation in food industry to improve catches. They use a smart fish face recognition system to pick the best fish for breeding. This method works with a giant net cage that holds up to 1,000 tons of fish underwater. The system uses radar and binocular scans to check each fish's size, weight, and unique face. This tech lets farmers choose healthy fish for breeding. With food manufacturing automation and food production automation, the process speeds up and becomes more precise. The net cage shows that modern tech can change old methods. Fishermen now raise fish faster. They simply add fish fries and let the machine do its work. This method cuts down on time and costs. China's automation in food industry makes fish farming smarter. The new tech gives fish a better chance to grow, leading to bigger and healthier catches that boost farmers' income. In a bold move, China's automation in food industry transforms agriculture. Despite limited arable land, China feeds a large population. The once barren Loess Plateau now shows green, fertile fields. Local farmers work hard to improve food safety and living standards. They use smart tech systems, including food manufacturing automation and food production automation, to turn dry lands into productive fields. Modern tools help farmers monitor soil and water. They use sensors to check plant health and growth. These innovations cut waste and ensure food grows well. China's automation in food industry gives farmers clear steps to follow. As tech grows, traditional methods blend with modern science, bringing new ideas to every field. This smart approach makes food production safer and more reliable. Farmers now enjoy better tools, making life better and food more secure. Automated irrigation systems adjust water flow based on soil moisture, reducing waste and improving crop yields. AI-powered drones scan large fields, identifying pests and diseases early to prevent crop loss. Smart greenhouses regulate temperature and humidity. Creating ideal conditions for year-round farming. Digital platforms connect farmers with markets, ensuring fair prices and reducing supply chain delays. With these advancements, China continues to set new standards in agricultural efficiency and food security. A new agricultural code shows China's automation in food industry leads reforms. China's 2025 plan aims to deepen rural reforms. The goal is clear: secure food, cut poverty, and boost smart farming. Experts talk about new ideas that mix tech with old ways. They use food manufacturing automation and food production automation to build smarter farms. Farmers now use modern tools to grow organic food and market it directly. The government supports new techniques that protect the environment. New farmers use clear data from smart devices to care for crops and animals. This approach reduces waste and saves money. China's automation in food industry shows how science can help nature. This new method creates a safe food system and helps communities grow stronger. Farmers become tech-savvy, using smart tools to plan and work. The fresh outlook combines tradition with modern tech for a brighter future. Imagine a pig farm in a tall building. China's automation in food industry makes this real. In central Hubei, a 26-story pig farm uses smart tech to grow pigs. The farm has automated feeding, climate control, and AI health checks. Each floor hosts pigs at different growth stages. This design saves space and lowers disease risks. The farm uses food manufacturing automation and food production automation to guide every process. The central system watches temperature, air quality, and nutrition in real time. Farmers adjust settings with a tap. This method improves pig health and growth. China's automation in food industry makes raising pigs cleaner and faster. The technology helps farmers get better results with less effort. It also protects the environment by using resources smartly. This new way of farming proves that modern tech can reshape old practices. In Heilongjiang, a smart farm shows China's automation in food industry in action. Hongwei Farm uses unmanned rice harvesters on 243 hectares. These machines work fast and plan their own path with GPS and smart sensors. They cut work time to just 10 days per season. With food manufacturing automation and food production automation, the system saves money and boosts yield. The unmanned harvester uses AI to avoid mistakes and reduce crop loss. Drones help watch field conditions. Automated irrigation systems check water use. This smart tech makes farming more efficient.